Today is a beautiful day. I'm feeling so simply joyful and grateful for so many wonderful things, and I hope you are too. You know, gratitude is not something that one needs to even cultivate. When we are in touch with our bounty, it's something that is ever present. You know, people say we should have a gratitude journal and we should count our blessings, and in a way that's all beautiful, but that only needs to be done when we are disconnected from the immense bounty that we have around us and within us. And today I'm just in touch with how much bounty there is in my life and in the people I love, their lives, and hopefully in your lives. So there's always something to be bountiful about and grateful for. My eyesight, my teeth, my faculties, the capacity to smell, to breathe. I'm not just eulogizing the fact that we're alive. But the fact that we're alive is the greatest eulogy of all. And I've just begun living my life with such a profound awareness of being alive. And I know this is all so trite and cliched. You're like, yeah. But this is the power of living in the now. And you have such an awareness when you live in the now of this sense of being alive and what that means and what a beautiful thing it is. And we have a choice every day how to live that life, that aliveness. Do we live that aliveness with power, with sovereignty, with choice, with intention? Or do we live that aliveness with victimhood, with martyrhood, with blame, with defense? How do we live our aliveness? So connected to that is this amazing alive community that I have called Luminous. And I want to tell you about it because we only open the doors to Luminous twice a year. So the doors are open right now. What is Luminous? Luminous is a sisterhood of women, people who identify as women, and who really feel the need to depend on others and to come through for others. And I've always longed for a sisterhood. I've been missing a sisterhood most of my life. And so when I had the capacity, I decided to go create one. And now Luminous is 3 years in the making. Luminous is 1,000 members and more strong. Luminous occurs 24/7 every single day on Facebook. And Susie Lula, my co-founder, and myself come live on Luminous every single week, either together or alone. Why do we do this? It's $25 a month and we keep it the same price. And right now we have 3 years of archived material that we give people. Why? Because we're not doing this to make money. We're doing this to really teach, to share, to be one with. So I'm going to call Susie Lula, my co-founder, on, and we're going to talk about the power of having sisters in our life and what that means and how it can help improve and enrich our lives on a daily basis. On whenever she can. So if you're interested in a sisterhood and if you're starving for a sisterhood, then explore Luminous and find Luminous on my website and join in. And you can disenroll after a month. It's month by month. It's $25. And if you don't like it, you can leave. But if you're starving for something, you may want to explore it. So here's Susie.
Hi. You look so beautiful outside. All the green in nature. You look like the perfect representation of Luminous, because that's what Luminous feels like to me. It's like women really cozily connecting with each other, honestly, wanting the best for each other. I long for it just like you. What could be real sisterhood, sisterhood,
Yeah, I cannot live without my female dearest friends, of which you are one. And I know there's so many women out there who have been, you know, hurt by women or hurt by their mothers or their sisters, or they don't have close friends who are on this journey with them, and they're looking for women like us who are
Yeah.
on the path. So,
Yeah.
you know, what we created Luminous not just because we wanted anybody. We created Luminous because we wanted women who were really genuinely trying to be on the path of self-growth.
Yeah.
And we've had some cuckoo birds in Luminous. It's not saying that every single person is amazing, but it's okay. But for the most part, we attract, if you want to use that word, people in Luminous, women in Luminous who are really seeking connection and want to show up for each other, but mostly want to show up for themselves. And we don't just have a sisterhood of support, it's a real learning community. You know, the other
Yeah.
day we had two authors on who've written a fabulous book on anti-racism. We've had women and teachers on who talk about sexuality. We've had women on who talk about our menstrual cycle and menopause. We've had women on who talk about nutrition and health and empowerment. And Susie and I talk about conscious eating, and we do body challenges together with everybody. We do journaling practices. What else do we do, Susie? Over the past 3 years, we've done so much.
Well, like you were saying, you know, well, just to finish what you were saying, you know, yeah, we've done cleanses of all sorts. We've done our own body cleanses. We've cleansed like our homes, you know, we've gone through our drawers and our cupboards and our closets, and we've shed on so many different levels. You know, we've done so many different challenges, physical challenges, plank challenges, emotional challenges. And that's where I was thinking from when you first started, you know, when you were talking about this starving, you know, thing out in culture of women just starving for connection, you know, and you were mentioning mothers, and I was thinking of my own mom. You know, I really, really longed for a real emotional connection with my mom, and it just wasn't there. And that is what it is. And I think that there's many, 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 many women like that who haven't had necessarily that close, intimate, nurturing, like feeling seen from either a mother or another woman. And I think that's part of in woven through whatever it is, whether we are talking about conscious eating, you know, working out, like you're saying, the other day was so amazing with the authors of Dear White People. You know, no matter what it is that we're working with, interwoven is this healing of the places that we're really hungry for real connection, and what it could really be like in community.
Yep. It's you know, a safe space, as someone said here, where you get to share your vulnerabilities and just talk about your struggles. You know, if you're having a hard day in the morning and you're like, I don't want to call my mom because I'll have to hear her opinion, and I just want to call somebody who doesn't know me that well but is supportive. And that's what Luminous is about. It's that safe space where you can share on Facebook and say, hey, can somebody just DM me? If anyone has a toddler like me, just I'm having a hard time, DM me now. I need help. You know, and mothers especially, it can be such an isolating journey at times that's why this community is so helpful and powerful.
Exactly. I mean, just hitting on that motherhood, or you could be in a marriage or in a relationship where it's like you're really struggling and you need to hear. I mean, the value of having 1,000 women is when you ask for support and you can receive so many different points of view of how to hold a subject in your life. If I'm struggling with my son, you know, or I'm struggling in my marriage, to read 8 different people's points of view, it just opens my mind to different ways of handling it, reframing it, being in relationship with it. It's quite amazing to have a community of that's global, and to receive feedback from someone in Brazil and feedback from someone in Ireland, you know, and to realize both the diversity of women and how much we're undervalued and how much wisdom we have, but also how alike we are. You know, I can call a woman in Ireland or that same woman in Brazil, you know, and we can have each other's back, you know, so it's quite amazing globally when you think of the global aspect of Luminous.
If you want another amazing video highlighting excellence in the Indian community, check it out right there next to me. I think you'll enjoy it. Continue to believe, and I'll see you there.